Okay, so here's a problem that came across my desk. What is 53.9 times 6.0? Now I've already written this in the vertical format. You might notice these decimal points are lined up. You do not have to do that with multiplication. The location of the decimal position does not matter. However, with addition or subtraction, you do need to line up those decimal points. But in this case, it's just a coincidence because both of these decimal numbers are going to the tenths place. So I'm actually going to completely ignore those decimal points until the very end. I'm just going to multiply this like I would any other whole numbers. First of all, 9 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 0 is 0, and 5 times 0 is 0. If I wanted to, I could have taken a shortcut there and just put a 0 here and done my second level of multiplication right off of that. But let's just go ahead and go through here. So I'm done multiplying the 0. Now I'm going to come down to the tenths place, so I'm going to fill in a place value holder 0. 9 times 6 is 54, carry the 5. 3 times 6 is 18, and 5 is 23. And 5 times 6 is 30, and 2 is 32. Now I'm going to add my partial products together here, and I'm going to get a 0, a 4, a 3, a 2, and a 3. Now I'm going to care about the decimal point. I'm going to count the total number of decimal place values in my factors right here. There's a decimal place value here in the tenths place and another decimal place value here in the tenths place. So that makes a total of 2 decimal place values. So my answer needs to have 2 decimal places. And so I get 323.40. Hope that helps. If you have a problem, a math problem that you would like me to demonstrate, put it in the comments and I will.